My dear students, your English teacher welcomes you in online class of Moga Devi Minda Memorial School, Bagla. Dear students, I think you have written many letters. You have also written application to your principal, your teacher. You have written letter to your parents, your father, mother, siblings, friends. You have also a written letter to placing an order, cancelling an order. But today we are going to discuss a letter to the editor. Yes, students, letter to the editor. So now talk about who is editor. Editor is the person who has right, who is the in charge of a newspaper or a magazine. He decides what should be included in the paper. Now students, what is a letter to the editor? Actually, this is not a letter, or we can say this is an opinion. If you want to express your opinion on the current topic, current subject related to your city, your state, country, or related to the world, you can write to the editor, and after writing it, after publishing it in the newspaper, a wider public, a huge public will read it. So the intention was to express your views to the public. So way of talking to the readers is a printed, it is in a written format. We don't announce through the mic, through a loudspeaker कि भाइयों और बहनों. We don't announce like that, but we write in the newspaper and the public read it silently. Are open responses to article from the particular publication or to the letter to the editor. Now, why letter to the editor? Students, the purpose of a letter to the editor is to express our own views about a current topic. So it is published nearly, or magazine or newspapers which are published near your city. Anybody can write, students. Don't afraid, don't worry, you can also write. There is no age criteria for writing a letter to the editor. Even a little child of 3 years old, 1 years old, or the 125 years old person can write a letter to the editor if he or she has ability. But it depends on the editor if he publishes it in the newspaper or not. Why? Because the editor gets a lot of letters and he has a limited space in his newspaper. So he has to think a lot, he read it, and if he find it appropriate, language should be clear, no unfair thing should be there, then he can edit, he can include your letter. So why write a letter to the editor? Why do you write? Why you spend your time to write a letter? What will you get? You will get nothing, but you will express your own views. जब आपके अंदर कोई भड़ास होती है, कुछ कशक होती है, you want to explain it to the public. So when you are angry related to some topics, some things which is not happening rightly, or any important topic you want to speak about, or you want to persuade the public or government to take a specific action, or if you have any suggestion or any idea, you can also write it. So some other reason are also there. You want to influence the government, the people in charge, the administration, then also you can write a letter to. Yes. So now format is the same. You have written in the cancelling order, placing order, the same format is here. like first sender's address, then space, then date, then फिर again space, then the editor, the sender's address, the receiver's address. So then let me tell you, in the receiver's address, please write in 3 lines. The first is the editor, the second is the name of the newspaper, like the Hindustan Times, the Hindu, the Indian Express, Dainik Jagran, Dainik Bhaskar, Haribhumi, Amar Ujala. At last, write the city name: Hisar, Rohtak, Faridabad, Kolkata. Subject should be there, then salutation. In the modern English, you can write salutation and then subject also. Then 6, 7, 8, body. Sixth, introductory paragraph, then body of the letter, and then concluding paragraph. Then 1 line space should be there, and write yours faithfully. Okay, yours, it was by mistake, students. Then signature. Students, now what you need to do, I will show you a sample also. First of all, let me tell you how you can get good score, because in letter writing or in writing section, most of the students get the marks, but they don't get full marks. Out of 5 they get 4, but you can get 5 out of 5 if you focus on small things like keep it under 150 words. Keep most important point, refer to the subject in the first paragraph, then refer to something recent or relevant in the country. So means some recent or relevant information, examples, statistics should be there. Okay, so maintain at least 3 paragraphs. Okay, first paragraph, it will be better if you leave 1 line space, then second paragraph, then 1 line space should be there. It impress a lot to the examiner. Now students, first of all, let me show you an example. Here is the example. You can see you are Ashish, your address is given here, Madhya Pradesh से हैं आप. Worried about your younger brother's frequent habit, habit of using internet as a homework tool. Taking ideas from the input given below, your own right, अपने own ideas से आपको क्या करना, write a letter to the editor of a popular newspaper expressing your opinion on the disadvantage of the dependence of youth and computers in the present time. So the word limit should be there. Sender address you can see, then date, then all the information. So then dates, then space, you can see all the things, and read this letter so that you can get hint how can we start. Generally we can start with these lines: through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to highlight the problem of, then your topic should be there. And at last also you can write some common lines. An excess of everything is bad, a balanced, sensible and guided use of internet is required. So now students, your task is there. You have noticed many stray animals on the road during the busy hours of the day, and these animals have caused traffic jams as well as accidents. You have already written to the concerned authorities. आपने लिखा पहले DCSP को, but no action was taken so far. So write a letter to the editor of a leading newspaper. Leading newspaper means any good newspaper you can write, any name, and city also. You are PT Pratik, living in Preet Vihar, Delhi. So students, download any newspaper and see the column of letter to editor. On the editorial page or opinion page you will find. Read them and you will get the hint, and then write a lot, do a practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.